Another day, another game, and today I'm playing Tier 10 Spanish heavy cruiser Castilla. These are modules I'm using, and this is a captain. And yes, I've got only 12 points spent because I don't play this ship very much. Okay, as usual, 3 good things about this ship. Number 1, of course, guns. 254mm guns. It gives you 42mm of HE penetration. They have great velocity, good damage, and decent reload, so very good guns. Number 2, health pool 55k HP. It's great. Not many cruisers on tier 10 have that much HP, especially the older ones like Des Moines or Zhao. So combine it with decent armor and it's decently tanky, so it doesn't explode like some other cruisers on tier 10. And number 3, of course, funny button. It's one of the latest cruisers, and Wargaming is trying to give every single new ship some gimmick. I'm not especially fond of it, but well, in Castilla's case, it's not overpowered, it doesn't give you that much, but I guess it's good to have, and it's something that makes Castilla different from other cruisers on tier 10, so I guess it's good. And now 3 bad things about this ship. Number 1, I will start with concealment. Full concealment build, 11.7 kilometers. That's bad in my opinion. Number 2, reload. It's 13 seconds, so it's not that bad, but you've got only 9 guns, so DPM is lacking on this ship. And number 3, handling. Oh, yes, it's turning quite well, better than the Zhao, but its rudder shift time is almost 12 seconds compared to 8 seconds on Zhao. It makes a big difference. When you start turning, you turn fast, but this starting takes a long time. And now, first shots of the game. And I can use funny button to punish Moskva. $20k, good salvo, but I was hoping on Death Strike. Unfortunately, not this time. And now I see wild Illinois charging through the middle of the map. I don't know why, I don't know how, but this is a chance to do some damage and I will do it. Of course, zoning torps, they are only 8k, but he's pushing, so you never know. Guys, this is example how bots play. They just charge into the middle of the map. I don't know why, what for, but they are just wasting their ship. Illinois is very good ship with better reload than I have, and still he will die very fast because he's now focus of whole my team, and he's alone. So please, when you play battleships or cruisers or whatever, don't throw away your ship, because you're just wasting my time, your whole team time, and just ruining our fun. And I forget to rate this cruiser, so as a tier 10 heavy cruiser, Castilla gets from me 8 out of 10 points. It's a solid cruiser worth to have. Another attempt to use funny button, and this time successful. And again, big thanks to all of my subscribers. Thank you guys very much for watching this content, liking and commenting down below. For every other people who are here first time or maybe returners but not subscribers, please consider subscribing, it really makes my day. And every like and comment is like a piece of gold for me, because this small channel needs likes and comments and subscribers to grow. So don't be shy and make these few clicks that makes my day.
Our team has taken the lead. Enemy battleship detected.
As you can see, one of our DDs died on east flank, and a little bit below of his death marker there are markers of two enemy DDs last spotted. Because I shoot and I'm spotted and there are a lot of islands between me and target I'm shooting, it means that there is a DD somewhere behind me, and that's why I used my hydro, because I want to know if there are torpedoes incoming into my direction.
We've destroyed an enemy battleship.
I need intelligence data.
Torpedoes, astern. The ship is on fire.
It looks like a job for Funny Button. Unfortunately, my aim was very bad. I was thinking that he's accelerating to run away, but actually he just used his smoke and he just stopped. So zoning torps into the smoke, just in case. I know they don't have range, but if he's trying to pursue me, maybe they will be a problem for him. Well, he's dead now, so one less problem to worry about. As you can see in this video, my playstyle of a cruiser is like I push when I can and I run when I'm focused. And every single time when I have a little bit of breather that no one shoots me or I'm not spotted, I try to push as far as I can. The moment I'm spotted and focused by two or more enemies, I just try to turn away and run away. Everything in moderation. When you push, don't push too far, and when you disengage, don't run away too far. Because at all time, if possible, you want to stay in your gun range. You want to be able to shoot enemies and support your teammates. Don't forget to look at the minimap to check the game state. The game state dictates when it's time to push or when it's time to run away. When your team is winning, it's time to push. You cannot stay back when your team is winning. And when your team is losing, it's time to kite and retreat slowly. Unless it's a situation like this. We've got no caps and actually we are winning on ships. We sunk more ships than we lost. So there is time now to play for objectives, and I decided to just push. Target selection. If possible, always aim at destroyers. But what to do when you have two destroyers? Well, then you go for lower HP targets. So very important. Kill shots are the most important thing in this game. When you kill enemy, you just get rid of guns that are shooting you, or torpedo tubes, or ship that is spotting you. So it's always good to kill.
Enemy destroyer foundered.
Another job for Funny Button. And immediately after shooting, I aimed bad. But you know what they say, you miss every shot that you don't take, so when you have occasion to shoot DD, just shoot it. now I'm in a pickle because I've got a battleship in front of me, another battleship on my fore, and there's a Moskva as well. So I want to stay concealed and not spotted, but unfortunately Castilla has a bad concealment and there's a DD somewhere spotting me. Oh well, I'm spotted anyway, so well, let's duel with Moskva. Something entered A cap. And because of the state of the game, as you can see on the minimap, all my team is near to the middle of the map. I'm the only one who can go and stop this DD. He must be somewhere in this gap, I guess. And of course, the moment I shoot, the DD is spotted. But now he has no escape. I will go and kill him. And it looks like a job for a funny button again. Just to make sure.
Enemy destroyer foundered.
I guess there's only one thing left to do, getting my Kraken. As for you, if you are a subscriber, your only job left to do is press the like button and write a comment, 8 words and more. And if you're not subscriber, your only job is to press the subscribe button. Funny button for a Kraken? No, my Kraken! Ah, I failed. Well, some of you failed to press subscribe button, so... Okay guys, thanks for staying till the end of this video, thanks for watching, and of course, see you in the next one. And yes, I still play with no premium account.